Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, dan salam kebajikan. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Mutiara Zahratul Harira and I'm from class HK24I. Here I will explain the concept of citizens, the rights and responsibilities of citizens, and the role and the function of the state in society, nation building, and governance. The first is we have to know what is the definition of the citizen. Okay, the definition of citizen is a status that indicates that person is an official member of a country. It grants them rights and responsibility as a citizen. Okay, so what is a citizen? A citizen is an individual recognized by a country and has right and obligation according to the law of the country. They have the right participants in political and social life. So, several scholars also define the state in different ways. The first is from the Kahrenbach, who states that the state is an organization of power formed by a nation. Before a state exists, a nation exists first, making the nation of primary and the state. So, however, Logicman argues the opposite, stating that the state is an organization of power that creates a nation. The state has authority to impose its will on its citizens, making it primary in the formation of a nation. Van Apeldoorn mentioned four meanings of the state. The first is government. Government rules with the special right. And the second, community of people. A community of people, a nation under the same authority. And the third, territory. Territory, an area where the nation resides. And the fourth, state wealth, the wealth of the state for public interest. According to the Montevideo Convention, a state must have four elements. The first element is permanent population. The second, defined territory. The third, government. And the fourth, ability to engage in relationship with other states. Okay, and from state, there is two kind. The first, unitary state, centralist government without federative states. So federal states composed of several states that have a certain autonomy. Okay, so here I will provide example of the right and responsibility of citizen based on 1945. Okay, right of citizen. We have to right to education. Every citizen has the right to receive a good education. So, right to express opinions. Citizens are free to express their opinion and ID. So, a right to legal protection. Everyone has the right to receive protection and legal justice. And next is responsibility of citizen. Responsibility of citizen including paying tax, obeying the law, participating in the election. So, by understanding this right and responsibility, we can contribute better to society and the country. And we have to know the role of citizen in national building. The role of citizen in building nation is significant, including participation in election, fostering unity, and enforcing the law. Common example for responsibility citizen daily action include voting in election, participating in social active, obeying rules, and respecting the rights of others. All these actions help create a harmonious, democratic, and just society. So, what is function of the state? Okay, the function of the state, according to Harold Laski, the first, maintenance of order, promotion of welfare, defense, enforcement of justice. And if the function of the states according of the Charles E. Merriam is the first, external security, internal order, justice for all, public welfare, so guarantee of freedom. Okay. So, special characteristic of the state. Coordinator, the state has the right to use force to enforce law and correct order, talk police, military, protector, and judge. So, comprehensive nature, the laws and regulation of the state apply to all citizens without exceptions, including all the obligation by tax. Okay, that concludes my explanation of the concept of citizens, the rights and responsibility of citizens, and the roles and function of the state in society, nation building, and government. Lastly, I would like to say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.